Hi everyone, I am from ABS team. This video is to teach you the way to add a new payment type. Now, we go to the setup. Choose payment type. As you can see, all the payment type had been recorded at here. If we want to delete, just click the delete button and yes to confirm. Now, we try to create a new one. Key in the new payment type, description, and its categories at here. Then, click Save. After that, the payment type had been stored in the system. Now we go to check in to confirm the payment type had been added. Key in the information. As you can see, the payment we added just now had been stored successfully. Hope this video helped you on more understanding on the way to add a new payment type in the system. Thank you.